sound different, huh? It's gonna sound different. Alright guys, got to the shop real quick. We're gonna piece it all together as fast as we can. She's up in the air. Hopefully we get this done before 10. Pretty sure we will. Alrighty. Yep. Sir. Good? Oh my god. More? Nice. Anybody want to buy it? Here's the old one. If anybody wants to buy the old one, here it is. It took a lot. Alright guys. The exhaust is on. It sounds so crazy and so good. I actually love the sound of it. And so what happened at first was the exhaust was rubbing on the is it the diff? I think it's a diff, or I think it's a diff. It's what turns the rear diff. Yeah, I think it's a rear differential. Anyway, it was turning and it was hitting the exhaust, like, you know. No, the rear drive line. Sorry, I'm sorry. It's the rear drive line. Yeah, the rear drive line. Got the exhaust up and it was hitting. I'm sorry I didn't get any content on it. We got it done yesterday. Like literally, we're working all up until like almost 10 o'clock. So, you know, after work day, after everything, it's just tiring. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing some drives, and it sounds so freaking good. I love the exhaust. I love the sound of it. I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere where I can just set up the GoPro and just go back and forth and get you guys some, you know. Get you guys some runs. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. That's how it sounds in the cabin. Window down, sorry. Oh, it sounds so good. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, there is droning, okay? There's like droning. I got the Mbrp Catback. So I'm not gonna say like, oh, there's no droning, you know, because there is droning. But it sounds so good. Well, let's get some pops in. Turn all the way down. 3. Oh. Yeah, the pops are definitely louder. And this exhaust is just all lot good. Oh, and yes, I do have an engine light on. Hopefully that goes off. I don't know why I have engine light. I mean, at first I got done tightening all of the bolts, you know, basically that hold the exhaust, the clamps, and I torqued them really good. So hopefully it goes away. I mean, if it doesn't, I'm probably just gonna hook up a programmer to it and see what it says. Ooh, those tunnel, or not tunnel runs, but you know, bridges. All right, I need to get gas. I swear, I'm always filling this car up just because of the way I drive it. Driving high RPM, gotta show them that sound. I'm just kidding. Kind of windy today. Jesus, sounds good. I'm sorry if there's wind noise because it's windy as fuck. phone setup showing the sound. Anyway, it's loud. I'm telling you, it is loud. I got the engine light on still. I'm not sure if it's ever gonna go off. We'll see. Like I said, give it a week, and then if it's still on, I'm gonna hook up a programmer to it and see what's going on. Anyway, I love the exhaust, man. I mean, I love it. As much as I wanted a Borla, like just thinking the Borla, I'll probably take the Borla, but you know, I could save more money. If I bought the Borla, I would be able to buy the cool little lights, and I got one more mod coming in here soon. And yeah, I love the way the car looks. I'm not gonna lie, she sounds really better now. She sounds really healthy. I'm pretty sure I got some power out of it, but anyway, I love the sound of it, and oh my god, what a dick. Just cuts you off. Yeah, Toyota does that shit. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Anyway, guys, I'll probably just close out the video. It might snow. Blah. Anyway, peace out, guys. Yeet.